In Peshawar, like the rest of the country, thousands of Pakistani Shias commemorated Ashura on Monday, with security forces braced for possible sectarian clashes and militant attacks. Nearly 11 processions were taken out from various parts of the city amid tight security. The mourners marched through the streets of Peshawar reciting eulogies in memory of Imam Hussain, the grandson of Prophet Muhammad, may peace be upon him, and Shia's third Imam, who sacrificed his life to defend the principles of Islam. To avert any terrorist attack, 6 areas in the interior city were declared as high sensitive. As in previous years, there were some bomb attacks during the first week of the month of Muharram.
Due to current prevailing security situation in and around Peshawar, we had to take some extraordinary measures, and that's why we had to provide security as you see around the city today.
Contingents of Frontier Constabulary, Frontier Corps and regular army was on standby to aid the police in case of any untoward incident. Police guarded Imam Bargahs and the routes of processions. Pedestrians were being allowed entry only after thorough body search.
Because of the perfect security arrangements and the vigilance of law enforcing agencies, the procession went through the city very peacefully. Considering the prevailing situation, without these arrangements, no one would have dared to come out.
However, the country did come under a horrible attack when the biggest commercial city, Karachi, was hit by a bomb blast during the morning procession on the last day of Ashura, and that left at least 30 dead and above 80 others wounded. The country has unfortunately seen a series of sectarian unrest during the month of Muharram for some years. But this time, special security arrangements were made across the country to ensure free and safe ceremony for the procession of mourners. Zahid Hussain, Press TV, Peshawar.